Moving on, now in a major setback to the Bharatiya Janata Party in the Alinagar Assembly constituency of Darbhanga district, the current MLA Mishri Lal Yadav has announced his resignation from the party. Mishri Lal has levelled serious allegations against the BJP leadership. He stated that the party no longer respects backward classes and those who advocate for self-respect are being marginalized. Let's listen in to what he had to say.
आज पिछड़ा दलितों का ही अपमान नहीं हो रहा है, मेरा भी अपमान हो रहा है। विधायक के रूप में भी मेरा अपमान हो रहा है, स्वाभिमान पर ठेस पहुंच रहा है। मेरे जैसे विधायक को भारतीय जनता पार्टी में स्वाभिमान बचना मुश्किल हो गया है। इसीलिए बिहार वासियों से मैं अपील करना चाहता हूं, जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी में बने रहना कहीं से उचित और न्यायोचित नहीं लग रहा है। मैं आज बिहार प्रदेश भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अध्यक्ष को पत्र के माध्यम से और जाकर भी अपना इस्तीफा भारतीय जनता पार्टी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की प्राथमिक सदस्यता से इस्तीफा कर दिया हूं।
I have my colleague Anand Singh joining me now. Anand, what more details can you share about this scathing attack?
Yes, I mean, the way in which Mr. Lal Yadav has now put out a statement in which he has very clearly mentioned that how not only him but the Dalits, the OBCs, they all were feeling insulted in the BJP, and it was reason why it has become difficult for them to stay in the BJP, as it's not only about respect, but it also matters to their self-respect. And several party leaders now, they are feeling suffocated inside the BJP. So clearly a big charge just ahead of the crucial assembly polls, given as the BJP is now formulating the seat sharing formula of the NDA, and soon it will be also announcing its candidate for the Bihar assembly polls. So clearly a big resignation by the OBC face, as the BJP has been eyeing the Yadav voters in the state just ahead of the official polls, that is back to the RJD. So clearly now Mr. Lal Yadav now moving to RJD, as he has all set to join the Rashtriya Janata Dal led by Lalu Prasad Yadav. So this is going to be a big boost for the Rashtriya Janata Dal in the coming days in the state. Back to you.
Stay on with me, Anand. Now, meanwhile, Bihar BJP President